Hello students, if you're getting this video it's probably because our online lessons were canceled. I'm going to go over the lesson that we would have done online. It's pretty short because you'll have a little bit of homework to do. Normally, to be ready for class, I would put up this slide on our online lesson so that you would see what we need to do. I want to talk through this slide so that you understand what you'll need for next week and what you'll need for this week. Today you'll need colored pencils or colored pens. You will want to make sure that you have a spiral notebook for next time. So a spiral notebook is going to be your science notebook or your science notes. Whether we are at school or whether we are virtual, you will need that notebook. We will spend some time pasting items in there and writing notes. And so those will mostly be used for our online lessons, but if you also want to take your notes from your classes, that is fine as well. The third bullet point says you need your science packet ready to go. Your science packet was given out at the back to school night. This was a packet of papers that had all of your pacing guides, and in the middle it had your science packet. Your science packet begins with a page that says Student Interest Survey. You will want to have that out and ready to go because we'll be doing the first page today in class. Normally, we would want you to be digitally raising your hand, but of course today during a recording that won't be necessary. And of course, we always have 4 school rules: be safe, respectful, accountable, and engaged. Today, I'll know that you're accountable when you do your assignment after this lesson. Today, we have 3 learning goals. I can identify how to be successful in this class, I can understand where to navigate in the class, and I can submit a video assignment to K-12. So, in 3 simple steps, let's talk about how to be successful in science class. First, you want to read through every slide on K-12 carefully. Do all of the review questions and interactives. This helps solidify the information from short-term memory to long-term memory. A box will appear if you haven't read what you need to. Now, you may have received a box from K-12 of some materials to use in labs. Because we're not at school, we won't be using that box. But if you would like to do any experiments with the items that are in there, that's fine. Just know that if it's not a recyclable or usable product like clay, you will need to return things like the graduated cylinder or stopwatch or things that can be used again back to K-12. You'll want to take notes in all of your classes. You can take digital notes like on Microsoft Word or OneNote, or you can take handwritten notes in a spiral notebook or on the Cornell note pages. These are going to be graded for every unit, so be thorough but don't write everything down. You can use abbreviations and short phrases rather than using complete sentences to add details to your notes. We will teach you how to do 2-column notes. In fact, this afternoon, if you are with me in history, you will get to see how to do Cornell notes. If not, you can email me and I'll send you those videos so that you can see how to take those Cornell notes. Hopefully we're having class this afternoon, but if not, you'll receive a video on how to do that. For now, you can just take any type of notes, but once I teach you how to do Cornell notes, that will be the expectation of each class. Finally, you need to learn how to study. After you write your notes, you need to take some time to study. I would suggest studying about 20 minutes after you've taken the notes. Then you should study a little each day rather than cramming it in all before the test. Remember, notes should not be used during the test or quizzes. That is how you can be successful in science class. Talking about navigation, I wanted to let you know that I put a navigating video inside of K-12 that's called Beginning Earth Science. I hope that you've watched that video already, but if not, that is how you navigate through K-12. Finally, today for our assignment, I want to get to know you a little bit better. So we're going to fill out this Welcome to Science Student Interest Survey. You'll see that there are a lot of different columns for your hobbies and interests, special talents, goals you might have, what your favorite school subject is, anything that you want to tell the teachers, all of that good information that I would normally get to know you at school, but unfortunately we're virtual this year. Once you fill out that worksheet, you're going to create a video. The video is going to be explaining what is on this sheet. So you might say something like, my name is blank, and then tell me a little bit about your hobbies, your goals, your favorite subject, etc. You can pretty much read off of this sheet for your video. To submit your video, there's a special way. You're going to click Content in your science class, click Online Lessons found under the table of contents, and click Video Interest Survey. So over here you can see where it says Online Lessons and Video Interest Survey. When you click on that Video Interest Survey, it will give you some instructions, but there will be a second screen where you would normally upload an assignment. Instead, you're going to hit the Record button and click Record Video. Please do not record an audio session. I would like to see your face and get to know you by name, so that way when we do come back to school, I know everybody quite well. Again, just to reiterate, today we went over the 3 steps of how to be successful in class. And then we talked about the worksheet that you're going to be completing with colored pens or pencils. Then you're going to create a video, and when you create that video, there's already an internal video system in K-12. You will click on Content in your Earth Science class, click Online Lessons, Video Interest Survey, and record a video. The videos can be up to 30 minutes, but I'm guessing yours will be 1 or 2 minutes long, and it will be graded. Please let me know if you have any questions by emailing me at molly.felton@ops.org. Have a great day.